total of each other.
What's up this now? Keeps rubbing his head on his brother. All the exchange of a common scent. You guys see okay in the background? Actually lying on what looks like some buffalo dung. They love to roll around in that dung. So I think they've all been competing for that little patch of dung to roll in it as well. On top of the fact that there's a breeding process here. See, he's going to keep on rolling.
Now they wouldn't spite each other, would they?
You know how like young teenage boys.
He's got the biggest belly.
Yeah,
It's like he swallowed a buffalo.
Swallowed a buffalo.
Here comes the other one slowly.
Here comes number 3.
Walking around that buffalo.
Yeah, he's got a full